She's back. Time to fix it. Right, now I've got the Megane back in here, it's time to do some remedial work. First thing I'm going to do, I got this spare engine here. I'm going to take the rocker cover off, take the cylinder head off, and check the cylinder head is all okay. Hopefully it is. I bought it from a decent, reputable seller, so it should all be good. Worst case, it'll need a head skim, but I'm hoping it won't need one. And then we've got to put the car up on some axle stands and take the cylinder head off the engine in the car. That's a bit more involved. And drop this cylinder head onto the car with a new gasket. So, first things first, let's get the cylinder head off this bad boy. lift it off. Lift to the legs, not to the back. Oh, nice. Right, I've just taken the head gasket off the bottom of the cylinder head because I wanted to show you something while it's on the block. And what I wanted to show you was this. So this is a bit of silicone that is, well, was pretty much trapped in a, what I believe is a water jacket. I think these are water jackets. The middle one is oil. Yeah, this silicone was trapped in that water jacket, pretty much restricting the flow of water through there. So yeah, just be careful when you're putting silicone on your engine to not put too much of it on. Grim. Wait. Look at this. Right. That's going to do it for this episode. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next episode of this Megane rebuild, I guess. We're going to swap all the stuff over to the next cylinder head and then drop the new cylinder head on the car, or in the car. And hopefully that solves the low oil pressure problems, because I think this is the issue. So, catch you next time. Give the video a like in the meantime. Follow the channel on social media. We've got a Facebook, an Instagram, a Twitter that I never use. And we've also got a Patreon as well if you want to support the channel. No obligation, but take a look at the link if you're interested. So yeah, till next time. Ciao.